Haka jinglumlang jong ka AIU lene ka Association of Indian Universities ya ki Skulbah ki balapan hap hapo ka is zone gari lapan long ya ki Ialehkai Handball ha ka Skulbah Ustm lene ka University of Science and Technology Meghalaya hari Bhoi district ha ka bala sedang mentak singi Haka jing penlong ya ki lang pli lawan pan pli pajba daw menteri sarkar bapay ikatan kam Ialehkai uma wailat miki sila Haka jing dalang jong ubak Matthew Kenneth Makdo ubadiu nominated MDC na Nongpoh ubak Bobby L Nongbet ubadiu District Sports Officer Bhoi District u Chancellor ke Skulbah USTM u Mabubul Haq ki board pnia Skulbah ka USTM rekat ki in charge jong ki Skulbah baper ki benak Kylleng ki balwan ban mi khamat ia lagi Skulbah rengkat ru bat ki Samla Pule laban kedau bangane ke Lympung Ialehkai Handball kedai ke tim kum ka is zone inter university handball men and women tournament arajar arpsan arpohon reu kabala penlong da ka Association of Indian Universities bat kabala peniat da ka University of Science and Technology Meghalaya hagba kumba sanpol teli ki Skulbah ki wan bani bynta bat nyopsan teli ki kenhon Ialehkai kentup nya ka kenhon Ialehkai nagi sinrang bat nagi kenthei yang ini Lympung on penlong hagi sau sengi lenter kabala sedang mendak sengi bat penkut ha ka khat sau terik urempang arajar arpohon reu
Maybe I look old, but I'm just 35 years of age. Why I'm telling you that? My age is not that different from yours. And I am very happy to be here, to be present today as your chief guest on this auspicious occasion of the inaugural ceremony of the East Zone Inter-University Handball Tournament for men and women. I congratulate the host university and the organizing committee for taking up this important responsibility for the excellent arrangement made for this prestigious event. Sports play a vital role in shaping not only strong bodies but also disciplined, confident and responsible citizen. Tournaments such as this one provide young athletes an invaluable platform to showcase their talent, test their skills and learn the true spirit of competition. Handball in particular is a game that demands speed, teamwork, strategy and mental toughness qualities that are equally essential in life beyond the playing field. I'm especially happy to see enthusiastic participants from universities across the East Zone, and I am proud that both men and women athletes are competing on the same platform. This reflects our collective commitment toward gender equality in sports and the belief that talent knows no boundaries. Dear players, remember that while winning is important, it is not the only goal. What truly matters is how you play the game with fairness, respect for opponent, obedience to rule and grace in both victory and defeat. Carry these values with you, and they will serve you well throughout your life. From February 10 to 14, promise not just thrilling handball action, but a celebration of youth, grit, and unbreakable team spirits. As a sport minister, I would like to reaffirm that the government is fully committed to strengthen the sport ecosystem from grassroots to elite levels. Universities play a crucial role in identifying and nurturing sporting talent, and even like this, tournaments are stepping stones toward national and international excellence. I also take this opportunity to appreciate the efforts of coaches, officials, referees, volunteers, and support staff whose dedication make such tournament possible. Your contribution to the development of sports is truly commendable.